What's up, guys? So today I'll be showing you my my four-wheeler, and switch the camera around. So it's a 2003, I think, 2003 Honda 250. Done some upgrades to it. It's got the original tires and stuff on it. All that's original. Oh, cut the gas off. I put the hand guards on it, and that's about it. Probably that's probably about it. Let me pull it out. But I'll be showing y'all my exhaust. We'll have to credit this video to tomorrow's video too, because it's getting kind of late, and I guess I can show y'all real quick. Yeah, I'll show y'all like how it sounds going down the road tomorrow. Let's see, key on, gas on. What I did was I just took the baffle out of this, and now it's like a full pipe. Let me rev it up some. That's how I did. Let me switch the camera. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video, and next video we'll be doing another video on the lawnmower and putting an exhaust on it, and just like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.